day is it? It's Dylan's 5th birthday, and we're making his cake. What theme is your birthday for this year?
Cars.
Cars, and we're making
a card cake.
We're making a cake for Dylan's birthday.
So I said that I would make a vanilla cake, so I get.
He wants to actually help. Give me a second. He wants to actually help make his cake. Now let me tell you a little bit about the cake. It's going to be a cake like a Hot Wheels theme vintage car. It's like a mishmash of all kind of car themes. But I've already baked my cakes. Let me show you. And I'm just ready to frost and put the filling. He wants a strawberry jam filling, so that's what we're gonna do. And get ready. This is what it is. Here are the 3 layers of my cake. We have just 3 basic vanilla cake. And this is what it is. I took the board and I cut it in half. So I have 2 halves. And I'm gonna leave a space. This is where the track is going to go. I'm gonna layer it, and on the top, we're gonna cover it with another board so it's flat. So it looks like the race car is going underneath like a tunnel in the cake. So that's what we're doing. So I've cut the first bottom layer, gotta cut this one and frost it and stack them up.
Okay, so.
Did you wash your hands?
Yes.
Okay, we're ready to do this. Let's frost this cake. Because I don't have my husband here to help me with the camera, we're having a little bit of technical difficulties filming, but please bear with us, okay? We will get through this.
I'm shaving me.
No, we have gloves on now. Do not touch your mouth with your gloves.
I won't. I'm getting tired.
All right. So much for wanting to help make his cake. Go play while mommy finishes your cake, okay?
Okay.
All right, bye. As you can see, now I have the 2 halves of the cake, 3 layers. It's pretty sloppy because Dylan helped me, but it's all right. At least he kept washing his hands thoroughly so that we can actually eat this cake. So now I'm just gonna do a crumb coat, and this cake is gonna be covered in fondant, so I don't need to do a thick coat of frosting. Okay, with 101 billion things to do for this birthday party, now I'm finally getting time to decorate it. Dylan is taking a shower, so he's not gonna bother me with this. And now I can actually surprise him with the cake because it's bedtime. But now I have time to finish it. So I did a crumb coat, and as you can see, this is the 2 halves. It's gonna be kind of oval. And then this is the Hot Wheels track. It's going to go inside, and then we're gonna attach it to one that goes on a loop. Now for the top, I'm putting this board on top over here because we're gonna cover it with fondant and make a number 5 racetrack on top. So that will be the cake. And it's basically a black and white cake. Black and white checkers on the side, and then the white empty parts, and then the racetrack is going to be black. So that's basically it. I just think the fun part is gonna be the loop-de-loop. So now let's get started. I'm also gonna put a board on the bottom so it can be easier to transfer the cake all together in one piece. That's it.
Anyway. Yeah, beautiful.
That's what happens. Everybody's on party mode and helping me out. But this cake is wrapped. It's 10:38 on a Friday night. And I'm done. It's complete. All we need to do is put the track, but that's a job for my husband. But this is done. It's not perfect. It is what it is, but it's complete. And I know he's gonna like it. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and check out some of my other videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.